Hey there, so today we're going over how to create an email on PathlyCRM. On the left side of your screen, you're going to want to click Marketing, which should bring you to this Social Planner page. And then we will go over to Email. And we want to make a campaign. And then on the right side, you're going to click New, Blank, and Design Editor. Now there's two parts to this. So we have our elements and we also have our layout. The layout is going to be whether you want the content to take up the whole screen or if you want it in two columns. There is this text and image section as well. So if you want the text to be on the left side and the image to be on the right. Today I'm just going to have the content take up the whole page. So we'll go back up to elements and it's drag and drop. So if you want a text box, you're going to click it, drag it, and drop it, and then you're able to type into that. And you're able to customize that as well. So we can center that. You can change the font size, and the color. Next, we're going to go back to Elements and add in a logo. And yours will look a little bit different since I already have the PathlyCRMs on file. But what you'll do is go over to this pen, upload media library, and then you'll upload the file, click it, and insert media. One thing to note is that you always want to save this. So right here, there's this button, you will click that, and it'll go directly into saved items. So every time you recreate an email, you won't have to go through this process. It'll already be saved. For example, I have my signature right here. So what I will do is I will click it, drag it, and drop it. And we can change the size of this as well. So we can make our logo a little bit smaller. And if I don't like the placement of this, I can always drag it and put it at the bottom. Same with this. And we can move this box up here, and you can put in content right here. Next, we can go back and to add elements, and we can add in our social media. And we can change the icon styles right here. So if you want it to be a different color, you can also delete the ones that you don't want. So for example, X and Pinterest. And it is important to add your URL to your Facebook. So if someone wants to go to your Facebook off of your email, it would direct them straight to your page. Next is we can preview this email as well. So you can see what it would look like off of a desktop, a tablet, and also a mobile device. I have autosave on, but you can also save this just to make sure that you don't lose any content. And that is it for today's training. Stay tuned. We are going to talk about how to send out emails.